Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Airpids case is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who owns AirPods, offering a blend of protection, style, and functionality that can significantly enhance your daily experience with your earbuds. This isn't just about preventing scratches or drops, it's about maintaining the pristine condition of your valuable tech while also adding a personal touch that reflects your individual taste and lifestyle. From rugged, military-grade protection to sleek, minimalist designs, the right case can transform your AirPods from a simple audio device into a fashion statement and a more durable companion for all your adventures, ensuring they stay safe and sound wherever you go. Number 5. AIRSPO Silicone Case for AirPods 1st and 2nd Gen. This protective case is designed to fit your AirPods 1st and 2nd generation charging case perfectly. Its thin, transparent wall lets you see the charging indicator at a glance. Enjoy effortless charging, whether wired or wireless, as this case is fully compatible. Precise cutouts ensure easy access to all functions without any disruption. Crafted from high-quality, flexible silicone, it safeguards your earphones from everyday bumps, drops, and scratches. It provides robust protection without adding any bulk. Never lose your earbuds again. Each case comes with a metal carabiner, making it easy to attach to your bag or backpack for on-the-go convenience. Your purchase includes one silicone case and one keychain. We offer a 1-year warranty for all quality-related issues, ensuring your peace of mind. What we like. This case offers a soft, flexible feel and keeps the front LED visible for easy status checks. If you prioritize a comfortable grip and convenient portability with a keychain, this is a great choice. It's ideal for everyday use and attaches easily to bags or keys. What people say. The soft silicone material feels sturdy yet flexible, and it fits snugly over both the 1st and 2nd generation AirPods charging cases. One of my favorite features is that the front LED remains visible, so I can easily check charging status without removing the case. The included keychain makes it convenient to attach to a bag or belt loop, reducing the chance of losing it. Number 4. AIRSPO Clear Protective Case for AirPods 1-2. This case is precisely molded to perfectly fit your AirPods charging case. It's compatible with both the latest and previous models. Made from premium TPU, it's softer and gentler than hard plastic. It provides excellent protection against bumps, drops, and scratches without damaging your charging case. Enjoy the original beauty of your AirPods case with this 100% transparent cover. Its slim 1.6 mm thickness ensures you barely feel its presence. The crystal clear design ensures that the charging indicator remains visible, so you can easily check the charging status. A keychain is attached, allowing you to easily hang it on your backpack or keychain. This makes it convenient and helps prevent loss. This case fully supports both regular and wireless charging. Simply place your AirPods in the case and charge as usual. What we like. This option provides a crystal clear view of your AirPods case while offering excellent protection. If you want to showcase the original design of your AirPods and keep them lightweight, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who appreciate minimalist aesthetics and easy portability. What people say. The case is made of a durable material that feels good in the hand. It fits the AirPods perfectly and doesn't add too much bulk. The charging port is easily accessible and the lid opens and closes smoothly. Number 3. SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for AirPods Pro. Introducing the Unicorn Beetle Pro series, the ultimate protection for your AirPods Pro. This rugged case is designed to keep your earbuds safe from drops and scratches. Crafted from solid hardshell TPU and PC materials, it offers robust defense. The unique two-piece design ensures easy access to your charging case. Never lose your earbuds again with the included carabiner. Simply clip it to your belt loop or backpack for on-the-go convenience. Enjoy precise cutouts for easy USB cable access. The front LED indicator remains visible, so you can check charging status at a glance. Your satisfaction is our priority. This case comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Specifically designed for Apple AirPods Pro, it ensures a perfect fit. Please note that the AirPods and charging device are not included. What we like. Engineered for maximum durability, this case offers robust protection against drops and scratches with its solid construction. If you lead an active lifestyle or work in demanding environments, this is the ultimate safeguard for your AirPods Pro. Its rugged design ensures your earbuds are protected no matter the situation. What people say. The case is made of a soft silicone material that feels good in the hand. It fits the AirPods perfectly and doesn't add much bulk. The carabiner clip is a nice addition for attaching it to a backpack or belt loop. Number 2. AirPods 1-2 Case Cover with Cleaner Kit. Introducing a premium silicone case designed for your AirPods 1 and 2. It provides complete protection against scratches, drops, and bumps without adding bulk. This case comes with a buckle and a portable carabiner, allowing you to easily attach it anywhere. Never worry about losing your AirPods again. Our specially designed thin wall ensures the front LED indicator is always visible. You can check the charging status at a glance. Enjoy hassle-free charging with our case. It supports both wired and wireless charging, and the bottom dust plug keeps the port clean. Made from high-quality, skin-feel silicone, this case offers a lightweight yet durable shield for your device. Your purchase includes a protective case, a carabiner, and a cleaning pen to keep your AirPods in pristine condition. What we like. This case not only protects your AirPods but also comes with a handy cleaning kit to keep them pristine. If you value convenience and a premium feel, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who want to maintain their AirPods' cleanliness and enjoy a smooth, comfortable touch. What people say. It has a cover to keep your plug-in area covered. The silicone feels smooth and flexible, but still protective. It fits snugly around the charging case so it doesn't slide around, and it helps protect against everyday scratches and little drops. I also like that the front LED is still visible, so I can check the charging status without taking the case off. The included cleaning pen is a nice bonus too. It's handy for getting dust or buildup out of the charging area and around the seams, especially if you keep your AirPods in a bag a lot. Number 1. Koaichi Rugged Hard Shell Case for AirPods 1 and 2. Introducing the Koaichi case, designed specifically for your AirPods first and second generation. This rugged hard shell offers full-body protection in a stylish denim blue and white finish. Engineered with airbag technology in the corners, it effectively disperses shocks. The special hard PC material significantly enhances its protective capabilities against drops. This sturdy hard shell fits your AirPods perfectly, ensuring they are well protected. Its unique separation design and included tape prevent the top cover from easily falling off. Utilizing German precision molds, it combines two mixed materials for armor-like hardness. Say goodbye to scratches and accidental drops with this advanced protection. Enjoy seamless charging with both wired and wireless options. The indicator light remains clearly visible, and you don't need to remove the case for wireless charging. Please remember that this protective case is designed exclusively for AirPods first and second generation. The AirPods and charging device themselves are not included with this purchase. What we like. Boasting military-grade protection with airbag technology and a hybrid hard shell, this case is built for extreme durability. If you need the highest level of defense against serious impacts and drops, this is your best bet. It's ideal for adventurers or anyone who demands uncompromising protection for their valuable earbuds. What people say. This one stays put and fits tightly. It looks nice too, which is a bonus. Airbag technology is used in the four corners to disperse the serious shocks. It works well and I like the style of it. This is the perfect fit case that I can trust and keep my AirPods case shiny and in a brand new condition forever. It's got the great quality durable material. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.